Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Exodus pesticide. Mix only the recommended amount per label and avoid spills by using a stable container and funnel. Use gloves and eye protection at all times and work upwind of spray. Store product in original container, away from food and heat. Follow re-entry intervals and disposal instructions on the label to protect people, pets, and the environment. In this video, I will explain how to use Exodus pesticide. Start by measuring the concentrate precisely and use fresh water at recommended hardness. Add product to water, not water to product, and mix gently to avoid foaming. Record the dilution rate and application time on the container label. Never exceed label rates and only treat listed pests and surfaces to ensure effectiveness and regulatory compliance for safe, consistent results. In this video, I will review how to use Exodus pesticide. Quick recommendation. On another note, bento box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers which keep lunches fresh and spills out of your gear bag after long days treating sites. They stack neatly and seal tightly. If you like these practical tips, subscribe and like to support the channel, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you use Exodus pesticide properly. Use a hand sprayer or pump for targeted areas and keep nozzle close to the surface to minimize drift. Treat entry points, cracks, and harborages rather than broadcast areas whenever practical. Use baiting or monitoring to confirm need before retreatment. Clean equipment after use, and follow disposal rules for rinse water and leftover product to avoid contamination and maintain long-term control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.